Hey guys, what is up? It has been a long time since I have had a video for the bug, or anything in fact. So, since the last video, there have been a lot of changes. Got the headlights on finally, got this, everything in here. And my dad and I started working on the electrical and got everything hooked up, got the lights hooked up. And since we don't have the turn signal up here anymore, we put it in there. So now it is part of the light bulb, well, light assembly and the light, and we don't need those two holes, but we still have them there. So got those all covered up, and this is what it's looking like right now. It's not too much of a mess, but it's a mess up front. So we got the tail lights, we got the overriders on the rear, exhaust, so everything is going good. And right now I am just, already did this yesterday. I'm going to be changing all of the fuses in the bug, if I can find them. But I will be changing all of the fuses in the bug, and if you don't know where those are right here. So I'm going to take all of these old ones out, clean it up a little bit, put the new ones in, and then, for those of you who do not know, there is a fuse box cover. And also what I did yesterday was I switched out the dim switch, the high beam switch. I switched it out because the old one was not good, and when I took it out, there's a bunch of rust that fell out of it. So that's not good, and now we have a new good one. Everything in here is all connected. This is connected, but the dome light is not connected yet. So the only thing that we haven't connected is the stereo, which goes here, windshield wiper, the wiper motor, which goes here in this whole area and connects, or goes through those spots, and then the windshields. You know what those are. Still need to hook up the gas tank, steering wheel. So, and those of you who do not know, let's get to doing the fuses and getting that all fixed up. Alright, so I got all the new ones in, old ones out. Need to clean up this mess. Got 2 extra ones, so that is good. So, you know, if anything goes wrong or you miss anything, then you can, if anything goes wrong or one of the fuses goes out, you have some extras. So luckily got some more. So that is basically going to be it. All I have to do is just clean this up, and then we need to find a spring to go here, and then we can put all this back on. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe for more. Peace.